Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can get Google AdSense approval quickly in less than 2 to 3 days. Alright, so in case you're new to the channel, like I always said and always plead, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified each time we post a new video. Right, so as a blogger, there are certain things you need to do before you get Google AdSense approval. Most times people copy post from different places and they jam pack it on their blog, they still get approval. But so many persons will think it's just luck. Most times these are not luck. Alright, these are not luck. You're doing the right thing in a very wrong way sometimes, but you never understand that where you're doing the right thing, okay? Because everybody feels that even with copy content you can't get approval. Alright, so when you keep things right, you can still get approval. Okay, so I'm going to be guiding you. I'll show you some of the necessary things. I will tell you some of the necessary things you need to get Google AdSense approval for you to start making money. Alright, it's one thing to get approval and it's another thing to drive traffic. Alright, so getting approval is not the case, but driving traffic to your website. So in subsequent time, I'll talk about how you can drive traffic as well. So let's assume you have your web page. You could be from any country: Nigeria, Ghana, USA, United Kingdom, or any part of the world. Alright, there are basic things you should understand, like consider while applying for Google AdSense, which is alright, like the first thing you should do is write amazing content. Alright, your content should be amazing, like at least 300 words, but most persons will tell you 1000 words. Yes, to be at the safer side, make it 1000, but it should be SEO optimized, like quality content that is user engaging. Okay, then when you make these things, whenever your users are reading these things with good smile, right, whenever they smile to read your content and they engage with them with higher click-through rate and bounce rate, all right, you are sure of getting Google AdSense approval. But the most important thing is you making money from Google AdSense. All right, making money from Google AdSense is the most important thing. But what were you supposed to do or do before you get the approval? The first thing you should do is just to have good navigation. Your site should have good navigation. All right, users should be able to access the site and navigate through. All right, navigate through properly. And the second thing is having good the load time. Your site should have good speed. All right, so Google hates directing traffic or maybe directing users to site with low time. Your site should load quickly. If your site can load quickly, then you are sure of getting Google AdSense approval. Right, apart from the navigation, Google this thing, like the navigation and load time, you should have good hosting. All right, your hosting should be okay, very sound. Whenever you come to load time, the uptime, your site shouldn't break down. All right, so apart from those two, the other thing is just to create the necessary page. Most persons will tell you to create contacts, about us, but to be very honest with you, the most important page there is the privacy policy. With your privacy policy alone, you are good to go. All right, with your privacy policy, you are good to go. You just have your privacy policy intact, and whenever you apply for this AdSense, make sure you input the code, copy the code given to you and place it on the header of your site. And to keep something short, like if you have any category on your site that you post frequently to, don't use the home page. Don't submit the home page to Google. It is better you use that category, like your blog.com/that category. All right, so that you'll be updating your site. Whenever you update that category frequently, Google will take note of it. All right, so use that very part of the site that you update frequently, not necessarily the home page. All right, so put up your good content, quality content, then get your site navigation, design your site well, have it, make it user friendly, then your privacy policy, your good content, and all of those stuff follow those procedures, and you are sure to get your Google AdSense approval without being compromised. All right, then use and make sure you don't have AdSense account before, and in case you do, use clean or a very different email address. All right, so if you want to be making money online, just do what I do, and you're on fire already. You'll be making a whole lot of money. Like, you get approval quickly. Okay, to get approval, the privacy policy, design your site well, navigation, put the menu, everything. The footer should be well arranged, the sidebar, everything should be well arranged. Then write quality content with good header, your image, like featured image, everything should be intact. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.